back to the Price is Pearl Life with me, Katrena. Cue the intro. Welcome back, or welcome to the Price is Pearl Life kitchen on today. This is my air fryer, butter, garlic, herb, shrimp recipe. So I'm popping about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter in the microwave to melt. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of, well, if I can get this container open, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. I am omitting the salt in this recipe, but you can add it if you like. I like to mix and blend all of my seasonings together to prepare them for this shrimp. A light drizzle of olive oil so my seasonings will adhere to my shrimp. And I know I could just dump this whole bowl in the shrimp, but presentation, honey, presentation. I think this looks so much better. I'm going to incorporate everything by mixing well. Now I'm adding 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, and again, mixing well with my hands. Line your air fryer with some aluminum foil. Make like a little pocket because we don't want any of those juices running away from this shrimp. Place your shrimp in your air fryer. And remember to get all of the goodness out of your bowl. So next I'm going to pour the melted butter over my shrimp and at 400 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. And this shrimp, it will be done. Just like that. So to complete my meal, I'm cutting up a salad. That's right. And the reason why I'm using the scissors is Mom always says, I don't like big leaves. Cut it up. I need smaller leaves. So what Mama wants, Mama gets, even in a salad. I'm adding dry roasted almonds, multicolored tortilla strips, and for a little sweetness, sun-dried raisins. To all of my loyal subbies, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Come on and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. And so dinner is complete. You see how good those shrimp are? Oh! I promise you, these shrimp don't only look good, they taste good as well. So thanks for stopping by the Price is Pearl Life Kitchen on today for my quick and healthy dinner option. If you love great cooking, please make sure to check out my cooking playlist. You know I throw down in the kitchen. Make sure you see Trina's Chicken and Waffles, my pineapple barbecue air fryer wings. Woo, child, let's talk about my loaded mac and cheese, my pasta and shrimp, my air fryer steaks, and my falling off the bone oven cooked ribs. It's fall, y'all, so you have to come back and see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch for fall 2022. I think it's gonna be good. Remember, the Price is Pearl Life, it's a lifestyle channel. Videos are posted Tuesday and Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where I feature home decor, hauls, DIYs, cooking, and more. And I would love for you to become a part of my growing YouTube family. So make sure to share my channel with a neighbor or a friend. Check my community tab often because I'm trying to get a little bit more active over there as well. Follow me on IG and Facebook. It's the Price is Pearl Life. Until next time, you know what I say, but I'm going to say it anyway. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video.